Hey vlog.
Hey vlog.
We're here at the Dwight Bay.
Bay.
And we got frosters.
when Bay is standing beside the Dwight Bay. Guys,
If
we're
you
all
didn't
the
know.
squad is all together
The
today.
boys are back. The sand is so hot.
Wow!
Don't embarrass me.
Hi, Ted.
Hi, Ted.
Say bye, Ted. No, we have to.
No.
Now we're here to find out if Ted swims. You're gonna kill him.
Yeah, I might. But this is good because it's like
If I
he
drop-
has the chance to survive right now. No, he doesn't.
No, Ted.
You went, Ted.
Look at his natural selection.
Hey, bud. Oh, there he is.
Grace is making some sandcastles. Carlie is making something she won't let me see, and that's why she threw sand on me.
It's a turtle. It's a turtle. You always say embrace your fears. So I embraced my fears, and now I get to destroy it.
Just beach things, you know. Face at the beach.
They're here.
I'm getting ripped and
Arnar!
You have the condensation.
Alright, be that. I realized that it just kind of looked like I was having a seizure.
And some clips.
We're at Din's. Hey, sponsor.
Update. Raylene is running and the pigs are fine.
Dang.
Oh dang.
Look, there she is. With her pigs.
Oh,
There's
best
a lot of
buds.
pigs.
Oh, she scared them. Hey, geese. We come in peace.
Hammock check. Yeah.
Don't stop believing.
Yes.
Oh no.
Yeah, you did it.
I feel like
Yeah.
the spin didn't really help. Oh no.
Go back over.
Sorry.
Wow.
Good job.
Do you want drugs?
Mr. Brightside. Jam.
Really know this one.
Just out for a rip, you know how it is. Maybe
Stop
11.
breaking his sternum.
So bold. You can't even see the formula. And they've been waiting for you to take a video.
This is the video because that would be funny.
Hair flowing. Picture it. Oh, the wind. Yeah. It makes the paper going.
No, it doesn't.
Not a whole lot.
Yes, it does.
Look at Leia's fit though. That's surreal.
The socks.
I know.
Okay.
There goes Carlie.
Rip. We're actually walking to the.
I know your phone. I'm
Flew out of the tractor.
I thought it was on fire.
Okay, we're going in whatever this thing's called because I forgot.
That's a step of authority.
There's only 3 chairs. I got it for Rayleigh.
That's for you.
I guess she is an only child, so.
It's no big deal.
Just casual influencer. I mean, when you're married to the grind, it is what it is, you know?
Anyways,
That was funny.
we got chairs.
Yep.
Little thing that says what it is.
I can see the
I'm Grace. Welcome to my talk show.
Oh, what do you have to say?
Raylene's trying to light a fire right now,
Around.
and I'm just sitting here. The bugs are kind of feeding me. She's trying to just light a fire starter thing, and I don't think it's working, but she's just trying her best.
No,
Do you think that?
respect.
This is the rough edge.
This is kind of like drugs. Wait.
Start
We have flames.
But we actually did. I wish I had my kazoo right now. That would be so.
Yep, she's up there.
I used to think that hay bales grew like that.
I did too.
And my mom,
Well, like I thought they kind of just like naturally like.
were like that.
Uh-oh.
Man down.
It looks like you're not wearing pants.
I am. Get firm.
More check.
I checked. There's some.
What we got cooking tonight,
Hey,
we've got a nice little
I checked.
marshmallow.
See. Love, love.
Update, night swim check. It's like 10:30.
It's night. So crazy.
It's 9. You're gonna get it.
Got it.
Yes.
So I'm just more talented.
Raylene has never.
I don't know if that kid's in our four-wheeler.
I do for 2.
This is what I call frick sparkling lights. Is the G the right way?
No. What are you G'ing?
Yeah, what is that?
It's
What are you
no.
trying to create?